Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens to your blood pressure, cholesterol and digestion when you eat beans every day? Beans are a good source of protein and nutrients that can help manage cholesterol, blood pressure, and blood sugar. Cooking beans from scratch allows you to control the flavor, texture, and sodium, but canned or boxed options can also be convenient. Beans may cause digestive discomfort for those with certain gastrointestinal conditions, so they may need to limit or avoid them. Regularly eating beans can provide health benefits such as lowering cholesterol levels, increasing iron intake, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Beans are rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients that contribute to heart health, digestion, and immune function. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.